Dude, have you seen this? We've got 3 fridges here, thanks to our friends over at Alpicool. Not 1, not 2, but 3 van life fridges for Mr. Bourne to review for you. So in this video, let's get to unboxing them, shall we? Look at that. This is the 20-litre model. It's actually a bit bigger than I thought. I've had to do this again because I forgot to press record, didn't I? So this is the second time sort of unboxing it. This one is a fridge and also a freezer built into one. That's how deep the baskets go. I'll probably take these out because you can get more stuff in them from what I see. It also has a little chopping board built in. Just a really nice little touch that. They didn't have to do that. And all these fridges are supposedly really low wattage, but I really like the look of this. I love the colour, I love the ruggedness of it. It looks really solid and really, really well made. It's like Christmas, this is, honestly. I'm so excited to finally bring my van life community, my fellow travellers, my outdoor humans, a fridge that I can recommend to you once I've had a play with all of these. I will let you know my thoughts. This one was also the biggest one I think they do, or one of the biggest ones they do. Look at the size of these boxes, mate. Let's plonk it around like that. And I think this one's also a fridge freezer, if I remember correctly. So what do you think, ladies and gentlemen? This one, or this one? Leave your questions in the comments, ask me anything about them. Anything you want to know, I will get to doing the reviews for you because I've obviously just unboxed them. This isn't a review, I've never used them before. I don't know how good they are. I've not tried them anything. Alpicool have given me the all clear to say whatever I want about them. This isn't a paid sponsorship. They've literally given them to me and said, hey, have fun with them, do what you want with them kind of thing and test them out. So we'll put them through their paces. I want to test them all independently and sort of see which one would suit my needs best as a van lifer or a part-time van lifer. So yeah, leave your comments down below and let's get to it.